no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is our daily devotional. Now, I will say I do apologize because Friday I was actually unable to get a video to upload. Things happened and it just didn't work out for me. So I decided today we would just completely redo it and just do Fridays today along with today's. So we're going to do 2 devotionals today, actually. I hope that you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. Hello, that would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Okay, so today we're going to be doing episodes like 10 and 11. So it'll be episodes. I don't know why I said that. It'll be pages 10 and 11 from the Jesus Calling book. This is where I'm reading my devotionals from. You can find this at Walmart. You can get this on Amazon. I believe Audible has it also. But yeah, these are very inexpensive and super, super good devotionals. But if you don't have one to read along, don't worry. I'm going to read all of it to you. We'll be fine. All right. Number 10. Every time you affirm your trust in me, you put a coin into my treasury. Thus, you build up equity in preparation for days of trouble. I keep safely in my heart all trust invested in me, with interest compounding continuously. The more you trust me, the more I empower you to do so. Practice trusting me during quiet days when nothing much seems to be happening. Then when storms come, your trust balance will be sufficient to see you through. Store up for yourselves treasures in heaven through placing your trust in me. This practice will keep you in my peace. I like that where it said, the more you trust me, the more I empower you to do so. So the more you trust the Lord on your own free will, the more he, gives you confidence in trusting him. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Okay, let me do the verses for today. We wait in hope for the Lord. He is our help and our shield. In him our hearts rejoice, for we trust in his holy name. Psalms 33, 20 and 21. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. In God whose word I praise. In God I trust. I will not be afraid. What can mortal man do to me? Psalms 56, 3 and 4. That is so good. Let me read that one more time. When I am afraid, I will trust you. In God whose word I praise, in God I trust. I will not be afraid. What can mortal man do to me? That's so, so good. Psalms 56, 3 and 4. All right. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moth and rust do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Matthew 6, 20 and 21. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. It's very, very good. So the more you trust the Lord, the more he empowers you to continue to trust him. So when you trust him on just regular, simple little things, and you trust, on when nothing much is going on, you are building up that trust so that when something really does happen, you know that the Lord's going to take care of you. I hope this makes sense. So yeah, the more you trust the Lord, the more you take those steps, just small little steps in trusting God. He acknowledges that. The Lord acknowledges those simple little acts of trust, and he builds those up. And then that, in turn, you get a relationship with the Lord. You're going to end up trusting him more. It's going to give you the confidence that you need. I mean, I've been through a lot in the last couple weeks, and I've never, not once, felt like the Lord was not going to take care of us. Now, when everything first happened, of course, I was devastated. I mean, hello. But, I mean, I immediately knew, like, we're going to be okay. We're going to be okay. The Lord is going to take care of us. We're going to be okay. And that's what, I'm just going to lean on that. The very first Bible verse that we had through this devotional has stuck with me, and it has every day I think of this verse. I do. It literally comes to my mind every day, but it is the verse, for I know the plans that I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to bring you hope and a future. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. That is so reassuring for me. I'm going to lean on that verse, and I'm going to know that the Lord's going to take care of us. All right, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm not going to say it again, so do all the things. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day. Oh, wait. Okay, so I totally forgot, but we are doing number 11 also. So let's do that. All right, so in your book, if you do have the Jesus Calling book, it's going to be January 11th up here. Obviously, it's not January the 11th, but we're just going 1 through 365, not the actual date, because I only upload Monday through Friday. And if you're wondering why is she doing a devotional, like what happened to her DIYs, then honey, you have missed a lot. So I'm going to leave those videos linked in the description box for you. You can get yourself caught back up to date. And also, if you've missed any of the devotional episodes, I will also have those linked in the description box. So be sure and check those out. All right. Oh, this is going to be a good one, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a good one. Okay. Trust me by relinquishing control into my hands. My. That's a hard one, y'all. That is the hardest to do. Trust me by relinquishing control into my hands. That means stop trying to do it yourself. Give it to God and let it go. Just let him do it. It might not be done in the amount of time that you wanted, but it'll be done just right. And it will be done just perfectly because the Lord is going to be the one that takes care of it. So just give it to God and let it go. Okay. Sorry. Somebody. Yeah. Anyways, there's always a dog somewhere. It's like, where's Waldo? Where's Jackie's dogs? You'll find one somewhere. They pop up out of nowhere, I promise. All right, let's start over. Trust me by relinquishing control into my hands. Let go and recognize that I am God. This is my world. I made it and I control it. Yours is a responsive part in the entity of love. I search among my children for receptivity. I believe I said that right. I don't know. I search among my children for receptivity to me. Guard well this gift that I have planted in your heart. Nurture it with the light of my presence. When you bring me prayer requests, lay out your concerns before me. Speak to me candidly. Pour out your heart. Then thank me for the answers that I have set into motion long before you can discern results. When your requests come to mind again, continue to thank me for the answers that are on the way. If you keep on stating your concerns to me, you will live in a state of tension. When you thank me for how I am answering your prayers, your mindset becomes much more positive. Thankful prayers keep your focus on my presence and my promises. I told y'all this was going to be a good one. Oh, so good. So good. All right, so the verses for this one. Let be and be still, and know, recognize, and understand that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Psalms 46:10. I told y'all a couple videos back that this was my very favorite Bible verse. Be still and know that I am God. That's just so powerful. To me, that's so powerful. And it is the hardest thing to do, is be still and just let the Lord take control. All right, let's keep going. Devote yourself to prayer, being watchful and thankful. Colossians 4:2. His divine power has given us everything we need for life and godliness through our knowledge of him who called us by his own glory and goodness. Through these he has given us his very great and precious promises, so that through them you may participate in the divine nature and escape the corruption in the world caused by evil desires. 2 Peter 1:3-4. Man, this is just such a good one. Take your prayer requests to the Lord. He already knows. So you might as well tell him. That's all he wants you to do, is tell him. He just wants to talk to you. Be candid. I mean, this says be candid when you speak to the Lord, and do that. When I pray, I literally pray like me and the Lord are sitting here, just like me and you are sitting here. I talk to him just like I would talk to my best friend. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, except that you just tell the Lord what you need and then thank him. Thank him for being able to pray. Thank him for being there in the splits of a moment. Thank him for what he's preparing for you. Have a thankful heart. Just go ahead and start to build that gratefulness inside you. And I promise you, it will cause you to be more positive. It just will. I mean, it's almost inevitable. But take your prayer requests to the Lord. Get on your knees. Bow your head. Show the Lord some reverence. And tell him exactly what you're thinking. Exactly the way you're thinking it. It's okay. Just talk to him like he's a friend. Talk to the Lord like he's your daddy. He's going to love you and bless you and coddle you and hold you in his arms. I promise you that. I promise you that. So just take your prayer requests to the Lord. Lay them before his feet. Let them go. And thank him for what he's about to do. Super simple. All right, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Definitely this time the video's over, okay? I'm not going to pop back on with anything. Anyways, I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I hope y'all will go back and watch the other episodes if you have missed any of those. And definitely check out the videos so you can catch yourself back up to date on my life. That would be pretty cool. All right. Thank you again, and y'all have a blessed day.